Welcome back to another video, YouTube. I got me a garbage disposal. You see down there? You see my switch? I'm gonna turn my switch on. Nothing. Go ahead and cut it off. You don't hear nothing. So you go under your sink. See, I got me a outer wrench right here. So you go under. You see that button right there, the red button? You push it in. Then you use your outer wrenches, one of the outer wrenches. Put in that hole. You turn it about 2-3 times. Then you come back up here. Turn the water on. Switch. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I have a blessed day.